Hey everyone, just heading into apartment suite. I just finished a painting job here. We did some other things as well, installing baseboards and baseboard heaters, new sink, and vanity, and a few other things. So here's a peek of the place. Let's get my camera going here. So you can see we got nice fresh new flooring and base, and we fixed up the walls and got this kitchen look a whole lot cleaner. It was all pretty grubby, but the new countertop and a new stainless sink were looking pretty good. And you can just see how bright this space is. We chose a custom white color, close enough to the ceiling color that we were actually able to spray out the ceiling and the walls the same, and then putting on the extra white trim just to make it all bounce. Another thing we added was this soft gray, light gray door paint to all of the doors throughout the whole suite. And we actually, I'll just show you, had it match this vanity that we installed. So that was an inspiration for the color. And then we just thought, why not send that throughout the whole suite? So there's a pretty good view of the three different colors together, and then the warmth of the brown floor. So I'll tell you guys, when I moved in or came into this place, the suite smelled awful. It was super grungy, and we had lots of holes to fill and stuff. But now looking at the place, it's ready for a new owner to come in and make this their own home and have a fresh start. So that's just something that we can offer our clients, is really good workmanship, a timely job, an affordable price, and a dedication to taking care of you and your property the way you deserve to be cared for. So for all jobs and bookings, please call me at 778-585-8030. I'd be happy to offer you a free quote, come and meet you, and see what exciting projects you have in store for this year. Have a nice day. Bye now.